Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down 5 of the best dash cams you can get your hands on right now. Whether you're a daily commuter who wants reliable protection and peace of mind every time you pull out of the driveway, a rideshare driver who needs front and rear coverage to protect yourself and your passengers from false claims and unexpected incidents, or simply someone who has witnessed one too many close calls on the road and decided it's finally time to have irrefutable video evidence in their corner, this list has you covered. These dash cams balance video quality, features, reliability, and value in ways that make them genuinely stand out in a market absolutely flooded with options. No fluff, no filler, just the best dash cams worth your hard-earned money. Let's get into it. Number 5. Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam, and the name alone tells you exactly who this camera was built for and what problem it was designed to solve better than anything else in its price class. Rideshare and taxi drivers have a unique and pressing need that standard single-lens dash cams simply cannot address: the need to simultaneously document what is happening on the road ahead and what is happening inside the vehicle cabin. And the N2 Pro handles both of those responsibilities with a level of competence and image quality that makes it the go-to recommendation for professional drivers the world over. The front-facing lens captures 1080p footage at 60 frames per second, delivering smooth and detailed video of everything unfolding on the road ahead, while the interior infrared lens records the cabin in 1080p as well. And critically, the infrared night vision capability means that interior recording remains clear and usable even in complete darkness, ensuring your coverage does not disappear the moment the sun goes down and your most vulnerable driving hours begin. The 170-degree wide-angle front lens and 140-degree interior lens together create a comprehensive field of view that leaves virtually no blind spots in either direction, and the loop recording system continuously overwrites the oldest footage so you never have to manually manage storage or worry about running out of space mid-journey. Motion detection and a parking mode that activates automatically when the vehicle is stationary add an additional layer of protection when the car is parked and unattended, and the compact form factor mounts cleanly behind the rearview mirror without obstructing your sight lines. The Vantrue N2 Pro retails for approximately $130 USD. Number 4. Garmin Dash Cam Mini. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and Garmin has built one of the most trusted names in personal navigation and GPS technology over several decades, and that reputation for precision engineering and reliable hardware carries over into the dash cam category with a product that makes an immediately compelling case for itself through sheer simplicity and the kind of confidence-inspiring miniaturization that only a brand with Garmin's engineering resources could pull off convincingly. The Dashcam Mini 2 is genuinely tiny, small enough to sit almost invisibly behind your rearview mirror while still delivering 1080p full HD video with a 140-degree wide-angle lens that captures a broad and detailed view of the road ahead, without the fisheye distortion that compromises footage quality on lesser wide-angle lenses. The voice control feature is one of the Mini 2's most practically useful differentiators. The ability to issue commands like saving a clip, taking a photo, or starting and stopping recording with a simple spoken phrase keeps your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road where they belong, eliminating the dangerous distraction of reaching for buttons or tapping a screen while driving. Automatic incident detection uses G-sensor technology to identify sudden impacts and emergency braking events, and immediately locks and saves the relevant footage so it cannot be overwritten by the loop recording cycle, ensuring that the evidence you need most is always preserved when it matters most. Garmin's connected features via the Garmin Drive app allow wireless video review, clip sharing, and camera management from your smartphone, and the discrete design philosophy means most people sharing the road with you will never even notice the camera is there. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 retails for approximately $100 USD. Number 3. Nextbase 622GW Smart Dash. Cam. The Nextbase 622GW Smart Dash Cam, and Nextbase has established itself as one of the most innovative and feature-forward brands in the dash cam space, consistently pushing the boundaries of what a windshield-mounted camera can offer. And the 622G is the clearest and most ambitious demonstration yet of just how far that commitment to innovation can take a product beyond what its competition is willing to attempt. The headline specification is a 4K video resolution at 30 frames per second, capturing the road ahead with a level of detail and clarity that makes reading license plates, identifying road signs, and capturing fine environmental detail in incident footage genuinely reliable rather than a matter of hoping the moment was captured at the right pixel density. What truly separates the 620 from everything else in this segment, however, is the image stabilization system. Nextbase has implemented what it calls enhanced night vision and a stabilization solution that delivers footage of remarkable smoothness and clarity, even on rough road surfaces and in challenging low-light conditions that would leave lesser dash cams producing shaky, noisy, and practically unusable video. The built-in Amazon Alexa integration lets you interact with the camera and access a wide range of Alexa skills entirely hands-free while driving, and the Emergency SOS feature uses the camera's built-in GPS and accelerometer to automatically alert emergency services with your location and personal medical information in the event of a serious collision if you become incapacitated and unable to call for help yourself, a potentially life-saving feature that no other dash cam on this list offers. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, a bright and responsive touchscreen interface, and optional rear and cabin camera accessories make the 622GW the most expandable and connected dash cam on this list. The Nextbase 622GW retails for approximately $280 USD. Number 2, Blackview DR900X2CH Plus dash cam. The Blackview DR900X2CH Plus. And Blackview is a brand that occupies a very specific and very well-earned position in the dash cam market as the choice of drivers who have done their research, understand exactly what separates truly professional-grade dash cam equipment from the consumer-facing alternatives, and are unwilling to accept anything less than the best available hardware for protecting their vehicle and documenting their time on the road. The DR900X2CH Plus records the road ahead in native 4K UHD resolution while simultaneously recording a second channel, typically a rear-facing camera, in full 1080p, delivering comprehensive dual-channel coverage at a resolution and image quality that makes this system one of the most forensically capable consumer dashcam setups currently available. The Sony Starvis image sensor at the heart of the front camera is one of the finest low-light imaging sensors available in any consumer recording device, capturing clean, detailed, and color-accurate footage in conditions ranging from bright midday sun to the near-total darkness of unlit country roads at midnight, the kind of versatile imaging performance that gives you genuine confidence regardless of when or where an incident might occur. Blackview's cloud connectivity platform is where the DR900X2CH Plus truly separates itself from the field. Real-time GPS tracking, live remote video streaming, instant push notifications for impact detection and parking events, and the ability to remotely download specific footage clips from anywhere in the world via the Blackview app create a level of connected awareness and remote access that transforms this from a passive recording device into an active vehicle security and monitoring system. The Blackview DR900X2CH Plus retails for approximately $500 USD. Number 1, Viofo A139 Pro 4K Dashcam. The Viofo A139 Pro 4K Dashcam. And what makes the A139 Pro's position at the top of this list particularly impressive and worth paying close attention to is the fact that it achieves it not by charging a premium price and loading a spec sheet with impressive-sounding numbers, but by delivering a genuinely exceptional combination of image quality, hardware engineering, and practical real-world performance at a price point that makes every other option on this list reconsider its own value proposition. Viofo has been quietly building a devoted and knowledgeable following in the enthusiast dashcam community for years, and the A139 Pro is the product that takes everything the brand has learned and channels it into the most complete and capable dashcam it has ever produced. The Sony IMX585 image sensor, one of the most advanced sensors available in any consumer dashcam currently on the market, captures 4K footage with a dynamic range, color fidelity, and low-light performance that rivals systems costing significantly more, rendering license plates, road markings, and surrounding environmental detail with a sharpness and reliability that makes the footage genuinely useful as evidence, rather than merely impressive to look at on a computer screen. The 3-channel recording capability is one of the A139 Pro's most practically significant differentiators, Front, interior, and rear cameras can all be connected and recorded simultaneously, giving you the most comprehensive vehicle coverage available in any system on this list without requiring multiple separate recording devices or complex wiring solutions to achieve it. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS keep the camera connected to Viofo's companion app for seamless clip review, location data overlay, and speed logging, while the advanced parking mode with buffered recording captures the moments immediately before and after any detected impact, even when the vehicle is parked and the engine is off. Dual-band Wi-Fi support ensures fast and stable wireless file transfer regardless of network congestion, and the voice control system keeps your hands where they belong during every interaction with the camera while you are behind the wheel. This is the dash cam you choose when you want flagship-level imaging performance, multi-channel recording capability, and a hardware foundation built to deliver reliable and detailed footage day after day, year after year, without paying flagship prices to get there. The Viofo A139 Pro retails for approximately $200 USD.